Hello, my name's Thanom. I'm from UNSW. Today I'm working through some of the problems in Calculus Math 1011, today on limits in section 2.1. So question 1F is the first limit that we're going to evaluate in this section. We're asked for the limit as x approaches infinity here, 3x minus 1 on the square root of x squared minus 1. Initially when we look at this, if x is a large number, 3x minus 1 is going to tend to infinity, and the square root of x squared plus 1 is also going to tend to infinity. So we don't really know what this is going to be. It's like a huge number or a huge number. So we're going to need to simplify this expression here to be able to evaluate this limit. To simplify it, what we're going to do is divide the function on the numerator and the denominator by, I guess, the fastest growing term in the denominator. So we can see that there's a x squared under that square root, which is approximately an x. We're going to divide everything by x here. So to simplify, we have the limit as x approaches infinity, and we're going to have 3x over x plus 1 over x all over, now the square root of x squared plus 1. If I want to divide by x, x is really the square root of x squared here, so I can just divide by x squared under the square root. That's dividing each of those by x. So in effect I'm dividing everything on the numerator and denominator by x, but that means dividing by x squared under that square root sign. So now when I evaluate this, the limit as x approaches infinity of 3 minus 1 on x over the square root of 1 plus 1 on x squared. And now when we look at this expression, we can see that 1 on x is tending to 0 as x tends to infinity. 1 on x squared is also tending to 0. So this limit is going to be 3 minus 0 divided by the square root of 1 plus 0, and that's just going to be 3 at the end of the day.